Everyone, so thanks for joining me. In this video, I want to do the Liquidation Pallet unboxing. So we went to a live auction for Liquidation Pallet in Georgia over the weekend, and I had two other videos. If you check those out, the two previous videos, and I had promised that I would go over some of the items that we got from the pallet. So we actually made notes of every single item that we got. We also got this nice little foam ice cream. I know something about the foam toys now. They're kind of popular with kids. It doesn't really taste very good, even though my baby tried to eat it. But we had a lot of really good items, not only toys. Even though we picked two toys liquidation pallets, we also had other items, and we counted over 285 items altogether. And these are the small, medium, large items that we got. A majority are medium or large items. And some of the items that we got, an example is this nice little VTech kids toy right here. And these go somewhere around about $15 to $25. We also got this nice little Fisher Price robot, and it does work. It is out packaged, but we do have the package for it. We got this little multi-cut 3-in-1 tool. However, it's not the right one. So somebody actually purchased one and put a different one back in before they took it back to either Walmart or the other stores. We got this nice little surprise here. It's actually called a LOL surprise. It's a whole box, and these were selling for anywhere from about $75 to $150 around the Christmas holiday season. And it's all there. All the surprises are there. We got a nice little puzzle here. Disney puzzle, it looks like. It's missing some pieces in the back, but a part of it, we may be able to sell this, or maybe just keep it.
There's 3 more puzzles. There's 4 puzzles total.
4 puzzles total, so we should be able to do something with this. And I'm not going to go over all the items, just some of the items, just give you an idea. It's a nice little game here, fast family dice game. We got some Everbright lights, and these sell very well on eBay. We've had some before. We have some built Bonanza. So looks like you can build Lego sets with these flexible strips there. And you see here, there's the sticker prices from the customer returns on many items. Most of the items are over $5. This one's here is $8.93, brand new price. And some items run all the way up to over $100. I have this nice drone here you see behind me. I've actually had quite a few of these already. And I just got to test them, make sure they work, and turn around and sell them. Either new open box or used, depending on which condition they're in. I got a nice little adjustable back support. Get some clothes for some kind of a doll. And got a Baby Alive, looks like diapers.
Yeah. As
well as a Baby Alive in a damaged box, but it is brand new right here. Nice little Baby Alive. These are not usually cheap at the store. Got another doll here, Project 2 NC, Amber Fairy. Got quite a few Barbies, as you see here on the table. Wrestlers, we got some wrestlers. Some of them are full packages, some of them are missing items or wrestlers. Wrestlers sell very well at flea markets or online as well. On eBay, they do very well. Got a nice little Family 10 game set. You just got to count all the pieces and make sure everything's there. A little Barbie. Monopoly games right here. Usually got quite a few Monopoly games. We got an Electron Battleship game, kind of cool. Some Raptastic item. Never got this one before. We got a Harley Quinn, looks like. Harley Quinn doll. Some more Barbies. We got 3 DX2 drones right here. And we've had these in the past. These do very well. We also have one DX1 drone. We got 3 of these little micro drones, and they sell for $19 at Walmart. We usually sell them anywhere between $8 to $12. These are Wonder Bras, comfort bras, right? Miracle Bamboo bras. These sell very well. We got a couple of these again. Simon Says, nice little set here for a gift. And this Yeti and My Spaghetti game. We also got a Doggy Doo. So I'm not sure what it is about poop, but so it seems like poop games, toys, It's popular with the kids nowadays. So we got a little doggy do game. Battle of the Sexes game. We got a little Paw Patrol game. Sorry, Life game. And we got a couple drones. If you see here, we got this nice little drone here. Rivals. We got a couple big elite guns. I think we got 3 of those. We also had another white rival gun. We got tons of bullets. A couple more drone guns right here, if you see them. Got a Kennex, and this one here is complete. Got some little Paw Patrol plastic balls and little tank. The dogs here getting excited. Nice little cool maker brush kit. I believe we got 5 of these little dogs. We got a Fisher Price. Oh, there it is right there. That's a little robot I showed you. See a couple dogs right here. Got this little Mad Gear scooter. Got another box in the back. Looks like some kind of a play set for girls. We got 2, I can't pull them out because they're at the bottom, but 2 Roto Revolutions Hot Wheel tracks, pretty good sized tracks. They go for somewhere around about $40 to $50 at the store. We got a scale, a weight scale. We got 3 ponies. I think we got 4 actually. I saw one earlier, another one earlier. Those Spirit ponies, Laser X gaming experience. We saw, let's see, a nice little heater. What else? Oh yeah, we got this one here. This is already listed. Nice little RC Pro. This thing goes for anywhere from $35 to about $50 online. Everything in this bin is what we got. Also, it's some little incredible Kindles. We got a little Alpha Pup. These are listed wrestlers. We also got a few items already sold. We listed them in the car on the way home, and they're already sold within 24 hours. This is one of them here. Listed a couple of these, and these already sold. Those the Sleep Styler. Let's see what else we got here. So these drones here, the DX5s. We got 2 DX5 drones, and these resell $40 to $60 on up. This time we also got another sharper image drone. It's a video drone, streaming drone. I'm going to test that one. The other 2 drones I already tested and they work. Another rival gun. That's actually the box for the other one right there. We got, turn this around, we got a little mem game. Catch a phrase. We got 2 big boxes. Another tent with balls for the kids. And we got a VTech game over here, if you see at the bottom. We also got a few more items. I'm going to spin this around. We got how many of these? These are magnetic eyelashes. 3-second lash I've seen on TV. And these go for $30 at the store. And you should be able to get somewhere between $10 to $15 on eBay for these easily. They're still new open box items. We got this nice little ballistic Hot Wheel RC right here. Now this one is used. You can tell it's used. We're going to list it that way. And that's a little game for kids. We got this Discovery tablet right here. A couple of the magic tracks with 2 cars. Put this back over here. Anybody have a hard time putting on socks? Sock sliders. We got somewhere around 8 sock sliders. Some more magic tracks. Right here. Single cars. And a few more items that's already listed. We got some Star Wars, some Monopolies. So, anyways, that's an idea of some of the items that you can get for when you go and buy pallets, whether it's liquidation or not. Now, for these 2, what do they call it? Gaylords, right?
Yeah.
2 Gaylord size pallets, which is a box, the big box. We were lucky enough to get these for $175 a piece. Some were actually cheaper, some were a little bit more, but not a crazy price. But we had an idea how much we wanted to spend and what we were looking for. And I think if you're going to start doing this right here, it's something to get more knowledge into it before you invest too much money. Because you could either make money or you could lose money. But from our experience, we've been pretty fortunate with it. and we found out that as long as you list the item correctly on eBay, whether they're new, used, broken, people will purchase them as they're listed, and you shouldn't have too much trouble with it unless somebody doesn't read the actual listing, and then you can work something out with them if possible. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can catch my next video, and I'll see you next time. So if you have any questions, any comments, leave them down below, and I'll be answering as soon as I can.